So, ultimately, the process involves repeatedly reducing the pressure inside the refrigerator and extracting heat from within the refrigerator itself through the refrigerant, effectively lowering the temperature. Yes, that is correct. A refrigerator is basically a device that removes heat and lowers the temperature. To achieve this, a refrigerator repeats the following main steps inside. 1. Compression. The refrigerator compresses the refrigerant, usually in gas form, which increases the pressure. 1. This also increases the temperature of the refrigerant. 2. Expansion. The compressed refrigerant is released from the refrigerator, which lowers the pressure. 2. This also lowers the temperature of the refrigerant. 3. Heat absorption. The colder refrigerant absorbs heat from the inside of the refrigerator. 3. This transfers heat to the space that the refrigerator is trying to cool, e.g., the inside of a freezer. 4. Pressure drop. As the refrigerant absorbs heat, it changes state and the pressure drops again. 5. Repeat. This process is repeated to lower the temperature inside the refrigerator, and the refrigerant continues to absorb and release heat, cooling the surrounding space. A refrigerator uses this cycle to effectively remove heat and maintain the desired temperature. This operating principle is used in a variety of cooling devices, including refrigerators, air conditioners, and freezers. Here is a more detailed explanation. 1. Temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of atoms and molecules in a substance. 1. The higher the temperature, the faster the atoms and molecules are moving. 2. A refrigerator uses a compressor to compress a gas, which increases the pressure and temperature of the gas. 2. The compressed gas is then expanded, which lowers the pressure and temperature. 3. The refrigerant in a refrigerator is a substance that can absorb and release heat. 3. The refrigerant is compressed, which raises its temperature. 3. The hot refrigerant then flows through a heat exchanger, where it absorbs heat from the surrounding air or fluid. 3. The refrigerant is then expanded, which lowers its temperature. 3. The cold refrigerant then flows back to the compressor to start the cycle again. Conclusion. A refrigerator works by repeating the following steps. 1. Compressing the refrigerant, which increases the pressure and temperature. 2. Expanding the refrigerant, which lowers the pressure and temperature. 3. Allowing the refrigerant to absorb heat from the surrounding space. 4. Repeating steps 1-3. This process effectively removes heat from the refrigerator and the surrounding space.